Supercar dealer Refined Marques unveiled its first bespoke model over the weekend, a Mercedes-AMG G63 Cabriolet, limited to 20 units worldwide and priced at €1.2 million, $1.32 million. Those familiar with the G-Class will know that while the G has been offered as a convertible before, the G63 has not. The idea was born when the owner's son, who was 5 years old at the time, asked if the Brabus G700 he was riding in could be made with a soft top roof and a small door for him to get in and out. Being an awesome dad with the necessary means and connections, he obliged, building a one-off model to bring his son's idea to life. While the story could have ended there, it didn't, and interest surged in the one-off. No one was more interested than owners of the G500 Cabriolet Final Edition 200, who wanted a modern version that fixed all the known problems of that car. Things like rear suicide doors, greater rear legroom, and easier opening and closing of the roof and trunk were all important aspects the G500 Cabriolet neglected, and over and above that, owners wanted more power. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG G63 used to create these limited edition cabriolets is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 rated at 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, the sort of power buyers of modern hyper SUVs like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Urus, and Range Rover SVR are accustomed to. The G500 Cabriolet Final Edition 200 was the last time Mercedes offered the G-Class as a convertible. Only 200 were made, hence the name, with power coming from a 5.5-liter V8 delivering 388 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. It's not the rarest Mercedes ever made, but it's pretty close. There was also the Mercedes-Maybach G650 Landaulet, based on the G63 4x4 squared but with Maybach luxury and a power-operated soft top replacing the rear section of the roof. And John Olsen also made a convertible of the same car with a more dramatic finish. Among the disappointed G500 Cabriolet owners who contacted Refined Marques to place an order for this G63 Cabrio, one owner, a world-famous model, complained of breaking a heel and tearing her dress when exiting the rear of her G500. Once she heard of the G63 Cabrio project, she immediately put down a deposit. Look out for social media posts of her with the car imminently. The car took 18 months of development, with a team in Germany made up of Formula One and Supercar mechanics handling the mods. Simplifying the roof mechanism was a priority. Compared to the various steps needed on the G500 Final Edition, the roof now opens by simply applying the brake pedal, releasing latches on the passenger and driver sides, and pressing a button, and it can be lowered while the vehicle is in motion. The first example, number 1 of 20, was revealed last weekend at an exclusive gathering in Monaco, wearing a china blue exterior with red leather interior and matching blue stitching. The soft top was finished in matching red. The remaining 19 won't look like this, though, as each Mercedes-AMG G63 Cabrio will be individually tailored so no two will look alike. Everything from the paint to the roof color and interior spec can be customized. 17 of the 20 units slated for production have already been spoken for. So if you like what you see and have a spare $1 million lying around, drop Refined Marques a line.